Ang gusto mo yung crazy.
Okay, this is it! Our newest segment, The Balakat of Girls! Nauna!
At totoo. Kaya wala nang kumpara dahil kami ang bida.
Parang bata. Ang cute ni Trisha. Ang galing ni Mara.
Basta chika, kami ang diba. Mga nagbabahay riya sa loob ng kuweba. Kami ang bida. Exclusive, exclusive, ecstasy. Huwag lalaking basuhi, baka ikaw ay mapalala.
Balot! Balot!
Sugat! Walang tao. Bako ang partner na yun na gumawa ng sarili niyo para makita ko kayo sa TV. Sabi namin namin na Lisa wala tumama. Balita! Masakay sa Mindanao, pinaya ka, isang alam sa Mahirap niya, dapat maraming paggamit ng droga. Mahirap, may sex video na. Eto balik sa'yo!
Sabi ni...
Madlong daho. Daho ay kung circulation manager
Ako na kasi nakalay ako.
sa deadlines.
Ako nga rin eh. Magkukulot ako. Huwag na. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano
Hello, sir. Po? Opo. Opo, yan. Sino nga po yung dito po, ah? Opo, opo. Alam mo po pa ako po yan eh. Opo, opo. Bukas na lang po. Sige po, mga kapatid nila. Basta lang pa. Walk sa akin. Ako lang pinapasok sa'yo. Ay, sige. Sige na nga. Ayos ko na lang. Ayos ko na. Di ba ako may deadline nun? Ah, ngayon po kayo. Alam ko po ako po eh. Sige na po. Bakit? Typewriter ba gamit mo? Try mo kaya mag-computer nang gamit mo ang deadlines mo. Ito ang mga chika, amin na kala. Pero gusto ko sila amin, ang tamaan, buti nga. Bagunaan! Bata!
Reminders, guys. As a reporter, get your information. You gather information and you write news stories. And these stories may appear in newspaper or magazine. So, as a reporter then, you may appear on television or radio. Then sometimes the reporter, they gather their information by their documentary or they having an interview. So, boy, I want you to ask, what's the difference between the reporters and news editors?
I want to ask.
It's not to upset crazy. The foreigners is the one who got their information, while the news editors is the one who edit the audio and the video. Oh, gusto mo crazy?
Okay. Mamaya abangan nila yung mga next daho pa. May daho number 2, daho number 3. Sa daho number 2, as an art director, what's your idea about that?
I don't know, crazy. I know you have idea about
Of course I have. Art directors in a publishing, so they work together with the news publication editors. Then they most responsible for the visual looks and feel of a publication. Pero boy, nagulat ako ulit about the circulation manager.
Okay, the circulation manager, one of the famous features director.
Oh, really? Pero abangan nila yung mamaya. Abangan nila yung mamaya sa VTR News Scoop namin sa pumanaw na sikat na research director.
Si Karen.
Okay. Boy, inform mo muna sila about sa text poll natin. Until now, wala pa rin nananalo. So, uulitin ko lang, just type your answer and send it to 1234 or 4321 and send to all the network what you want. Try nyo na text nyo na, may ano to, may something special here. Type ka na, boy.
Wala ko sa phone.
Oh, boy.
Crazy.
Kumusta nilang kita about the class you're taking?
Yes.
Can you cite some some experience about as a reporter, right? Writers ka rin, boy, di ba? So, can you share some duties and responsibilities as a reporter, as a writer?
Pero alam mo, Crazy, bilang isang reporter, hindi kailangan lang nag-iinarte.
Yeah, that's
Kailangan
right.
mo lang confidence.
Yes,
Kailangan kaya mong dali ng lahat.
that's it.
Crazy.
As in lahat.
Lahat, Crazy.
Okay.
Kaya kung ka, Crazy, kailangan ka mag-reporter ka. Wala kang pinipiling trabaho. Lahat ng ipagagawa sa'yo, kailangan mo gawin.
Yes, be responsible as a reporter. Do your duties and do all the responsible as a reporter. And boy, di ba may mga codes yan? So may mga codes as a reporter na sinusunod sila.
Right, Crazy.
Kaya how about the writers?
The writers, you must have perfect and pleasing grammar.
Okay.